Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow Discord conversations to appear as suggestions for sharing and searching in iOS. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen, and then click on privacy and safety. Scroll down and find this sharing section. Here you can see the iOS conversation suggestions feature that you can enable by clicking on this button on the right side next to it, thereby allowing Discord conversations to appear as suggestions for sharing and search in iOS. Disabling this will hide those suggestions and make iOS forget which friends and servers are your favorite. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.